What is going on, guys? It is Coach Cota, and in this video you're going to see me live day trade HA and AUR as well as VKTX. If you ever wondered what it was like to day trade side by side with a professional trader helping you buy and sell and make money live in the stock market, this video is going to be perfect for you. If you want to day trade with me and you want to get my trades sent directly to your smartphone, click the link in the description and I will help you trade. My favorite ones for today that are much more stable, that is AUR, and HA. I really like HA. HA just made a new high in the pre-market, and I can see HA comes down to like $10 and then comes back up. I can see HA doing really well. How many shares of HA are you guys going to get? All of them. All of them. So HA is at $10.45 right now. So it's the first profit target just hit. But AUR already hit 265. Let's see if we get a pullback on that. And VKTX is looking pretty decent as well. Definitely see a lot of buying come in around $15. So our VKTX really taking off. Look at that. So our VKTX trade, that one looks like it's going to hit 1624 already, which is why we had that confirmation early on. Guys, here's the stock chart for AUR. The profit target was hit at $2.62. Here's the stock chart for HA. Our profit target was hit at $10.46. The stock chart has a high of $10.54. We won every single trade that we called out on our top stocks list. If you want to make consistent money with me and you're done losing money on garbage stocks called out by traders who don't know what they're doing, then click the link in the description and you can start trading with me 100% free. We can even do a coaching call together where I help you regain some of your losses on some of those bad trades that you may have taken. Guys, every single trade that we took on our top stocks, we won. Yesterday, every single trade that we took on our top stocks, we won. You can watch the video right here. Click the link in the description so that we can work together and rebuild your trading account. Watch my video from yesterday where I live trade a number of different winning stocks, including a short squeeze on ACIU.